Tuesday, December 10th, 4:08 p.m. New York time. Welcome back, investors, to Winning Wall Street's Money. I'm going to go over two styles of trading I've taken today and last week. Last week, I used options on the S&P 500 for a swing trade. Looking here on the chart in the S&P 500 futures, the S&P 500 cash index, SPX. This red candle here, that was last Thursday. So my thought was, this is going to roll over, start trending down. I was hoping the next day. Near the end of this day on Thursday, I bought put options. Put options you buy if you're expecting the underlining, aka the stock, to go lower. Yep, bought them near the end of the day. Now, looking at the other indexes, we had a consolidation in the S&P 500. This NASDAQ was the same thing, just like here, the S&P 500, but the Dow was huge consolidation. So I was seeing already distribution there. We already had the decline in the Dow Transport and Dow Utilities, which are all part of the S&P 500. Plus, we had this gap down here. But what happened was, on the Thursday, about 20 minutes before the market closed, started to decline. I had some nice gains. I didn't close the trade because I was looking for more gains with a gap down or continue trending down the next day. It didn't come. Nope, the next day, made a higher high, higher low. So lost on those options. Then look what happened Monday. Went down. That was yesterday. We filled that gap. And today we went lower and lower. So the timing was wrong. Can never be on top of the timing. The setup trade idea, that was good. How I could have done even better was use options that had several more days till expiration, or reload it and did it again on Friday. Yep, I could have done it near the close of Friday, but puts again, and then had them expire Monday, would have been a winner. So let's go look at my next, which would be the day trade that I took today. Load up the 1-minute chart, S&P 500 futures. I took 2 day trades this morning. Both were bullish. Yep. So this is a 1-minute chart. Just notice right here, this vertical line, 0,900. Right here, 9:30 when the New York stock market opens, 10 a.m., 10:30. So I didn't do any pre-market trades. Nope. Just sat and watched the volatility. Few things I did like, but I hesitated. And then closer to the top of the hour, between 10, 10:30, coming into 11, I saw some nice setups. So this blue vertical line, I went bullish. Because we had this huge consolidation, we already broken this high. And my thought was, see right here, the market opened here, this white line. Also had that 1 hour high over there, broken earlier. So before the 9:30 a.m., we broke these highs. And then when the market opened 9:30, we had the huge dump. And I was looking for a break above here because we already did it pre for a retest. So I had to sit through all this till 10 a.m. And then from 10 a.m., after that 1-minute candle here, look at this. Higher highs, higher highs. I like this. We had a consolidation retest several times down here. And I wanted to wait for that final reversal. So that green candle, after the inside candle, reversed. And I waited for the top of that green candle to get broken. I went long, bullish. And then we finally broke above that opening high right here. Nice pullback. I was going to look to consider maybe reloading, but I didn't. And then it popped up real fast. Closed my trade. So that was a nice trade. Little insight. Got in at 10:15 a.m., closed at 10:18 a.m. Again, got in at 10:15 a.m., closed at 10:18. Made 3 points and 3 ticks. Happy camper. That was good. And I watched that pullback, looking for that opportunity to reload. So my thought was, yeah, we're going to break this again and retest it. So I just waited for that pullback and a strong reversal. So it was a nice pullback here. And then I'm seeing all this consolidation. And look at that. We had a trend reversal. So again, buyers there. Finally, buyers stepped in here. That was 10:30. Green candle. I didn't like the way that closed, so I didn't get in that one. I waited. As soon as we broke above it right here, top of that wick, I went long. That was at 10:32. And then it shot up real fast. So within that same 1 minute candle, my trade got closed. Made like 2 ticks. Sorry, 2 points. Yeah. So the first one again made 3 points and 3 ticks. And the second one was 2 points. That was it. Happy camera. Both were winnings. And then eventually you see the market rolled over. So again, overall, I'm happy with that performance there. Let me show you some more insight. Notice here, 4-hour candles, okay? This was pre-market. The low of the pre-market right here, run up there, and then regular trading hours. So it made higher highs. Attempted to test this here, never made it. That's fine because my longs were in there. And then look how now we went down, totally taking them all out. So again, not buying and holding, just scalping from nice setups, and that worked out well. We did break this swing low and take it into the 1 hour. My trades are right in this area. Pre-market, really thin trading. The run up during the London session, you can see here, made higher highs and filled. And you can see it on the 15-minute. This is the Asian session, London session, and New York session. Nice. Let's see some key levels. So it worked out. Now that the market's closed, tomorrow, well, I'll decide if I'm going to be bullish or bearish. I'm flexible, take both sides of the trade. It's just, again, today, those sweet spots I saw right off the bat. And because that gap got filled on the prior day on the SPX, I'm thinking, okay, that makes sense. We have that bullish morning session. Thank you, as always, for spending just a little bit of time with me. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.